Hi, this is Leandra, here for a quick demo of Vidcode in libraries. So once you have Vidcode for your library, you're going to start on this page, just vidcode.com. All your librarians are going to be set up with educator accounts, and that's sort of where I'm going to give you this tour. So you're going to have a group specifically for your library. You're going to have the option to add patrons to that just by giving them this URL and having them sign up. They'll appear here, and from here you'll be able to see their progress. Once they get to a certain level, you'll be able to print out certificates for them or just give them to them as PDFs. You'll also be able to see the work that they do and any quizzes that they work on. The other thing that's here are these materials to run workshops. So these are really great. With these, you can scroll through and use this really as a guide to run any clubs or workshops that you're doing. They also have like sample projects for each activity to use for debugging or maybe to show patrons before you kind of go into the activity. There's also the showcase. This one's empty right now, but you'd be able to add projects to it that you make, that people who come through your library make, and share this out publicly, either as a way to advertise your coding club or just to kind of show off what everyone's doing. On the actual coding side of things, to get there, I did that sort of fast. You click Start Coding here. These are all the activities. They get harder as the units go up. So if you do have a workshop, I would recommend starting with Make a Meme or Create a Filter. If you have a club and people are coming back time after time, anyone that's new, I would start them on one of these. If they've come 3 or 4 times and sort of worked through this, I would move them up to Unit 2. And then they can keep leveling up from there. So maybe like the 6th time they come to the club, they can either help everyone else or just kind of like go ahead into Unit 3 and start making animations with loops, or Unit 4 where they can start making special effects. If you have someone that's really advanced, there's also a 2nd course that gets more into interactivity, that gets more into video games, that gets more into word manipulation and algorithms. But for most people who are just starting out, they're going to start here. So I'm just going to click into this really quick. So all of the tutorials, all of the activities are set up really in the same way. There's instructions on the left here, code editor in the middle, the final project here on the right, and then the media library. The media library is really cool because that's where students can upload their own photos and videos, upload their own music, upload their own stickers, and start to use those to really customize their projects. So here I can see the instructions are all in purple. They'll always be. Vocabulary is going to be in bold. So I can select a video. I'll select this cat. And then as I click through, these buttons are going to start to appear. And I can drag these into my project, and they're going to turn into real code right away. I can start to interact with this, make my cat purple. As I keep clicking through, more blocks are going to appear. I'll drag in vignette, drag in pixelate. And then as I learn more, I can also start typing in my own code. Once I'm done with my project, I can go ahead and publish it. And now this project, I can share it, I can embed it, and it lives in that portfolio that I can build out with my more advanced projects and use to show off what I've been learning. So that's really the overview. If you visit the site, you can also see the gallery full of student work, and you can explore some more advanced projects. These are cool on the bottom. This is a simulation. There's some poetry projects, some video games. Well, and if you have any questions, I can go ahead and email me at leandra@vidcode.com. Thanks so much.